with our show, let me tell you a little bit more about it. We've got more than 400 motorcycles on the floor at this convention center, and we'll have them on your convention center floor as well. From the Smaji brothers off of NBC's America's Got Talent to some of the most exotic dream bikes in the world, you're going to get a chance to see those in your local marketplace. Of course, Ducati, Harley-Davidson, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and all of the rest of the motorcycle manufacturers will be there. This is one show you're not going to want to miss. See you soon.